Problem number 5. A cube of 40 mm side is resting on HP. This is the cube of side 40 mm resting on HP with one of its edges is inclined 30 degree. One of its edges is inclined 30 degree. You have to construct this, and this is called as cube. Height is also same. Whatever the side is there, the same will be the height. And then a cut section, this is a perpendicular cut section. This is inclined at an angle of 45 degree and passing through the midpoint of the axis. It is 40, 20 on axis. You have to draw a line and 45 degree cut section which is perpendicular to BP. This is we construct in book. See, one side is 40 millimeter, one side is 40 mm, right? And one edge, you have to draw 30 degree line. This one edge should be on 30 degree line, and you have to take perpendicular 90 degree and cut it by 40 on either side and join these two. We'll get these two points. This is nothing but one of its edges is inclined at an angle of 30 degree, and then you have to construct this cube of 40 millimeter. And this always cube is having 6 equal faces. Cube is having 6 equal faces called as hexahedron. Cube is having 6 equal faces and height is also of 40 millimeter. Right. Now we'll divide axis. This is our axis. Now we'll make it as axis line. So this is our axis. We'll make this line as axis line. Right. Now on axis 45, first we'll take height 20 mm. So this 40 on 20. So we'll take here also 20. So we'll draw horizontal line. We'll draw a horizontal line so that from that intersection on axis, midpoint of the axis is called 20. It is 40 height, midpoint means 20. From this point 45 degree it has been inclined. That is the cut section which is inclined at an angle of 45 degree. So we'll take 45 degree line. The cut section is 45. Now we'll draw a line so that this should pass through 45 degree and it is cutting this complete right. This is the cut section which is inclined 45 degree at midpoint 20 mm, right, 20 millimeter, and this part will make it dark on either side so that it shows a cut section. Will dark this part, below part you have to dark, bottom part you have to dark till this. And then this is inside, you will have dash line. And then we have this edge till this. Right. This part you have to make it dark. That is the cut section. Now we will go for numbering. Numbering should be always start with AA1. On AA1, so first we will write it. This is A1, this is B1 dash, A1 dash, this is O1 dash, this is D1 dash, this is C1 dash, C1 C dash, A dash, B dash, and this is axis O dash, and this is D dash. Now we'll go for AA1. On AA1, right, this is called as AA1. On AA1 there is no cut, there is no numbering. Next, go for A1 to A or A to B, A to B or A1 to B1. A to B there is no cut, we'll go for A1 to B1, there is a cut, we'll number it as 1. And then we'll go for B1, there is a cut, right. From 1 we'll draw a line parallel to this, from 1 we'll draw a line. So from 1, so this point is 1 here in top view, right. Second point is on B1, so 2, 2. Then go for B to C or B1 to C1. This is B, this is C. There is a cut. This point is called as third point, right. Third point, and we'll draw a line parallel to this. This is at B to C. So here we will get third point, and then go for CC1. There is no cut. On CC1 there is no cut. Now CC1 numbering, there is nothing. Then after CC1, C to D or C1 to D1. C1 to D1 there is no C to D, there is a cut, so we'll give fourth number. So fourth is here, this point is called as fourth, right. Next go for DD1, there is a cut, so fifth point on DD1. Next D to A or D1 to A1. D to A there is no cut, D1 to A1, that is sixth point. This point is called sixth point, right. So this is what number of cuts are there. Instead of sixth, we are also taking it as 1. We'll explain in construction. Now, so one side is 40 millimeter, right. Total it is 40 into side is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 sides are there. So total 160. The distance is total 160. Right, and one block is 40. Divide each block by 40, and with thin line you have to draw. Later on construction we will make it dark. I already marked 40 mm, so I am drawing a line. So to mark 40 blocks and then mark. Right, each block is 40 millimeter. Right, now we'll name it A1, no dash, B1, C1, D1, A1, A, B, C, D, A. As per rules, which cuts on horizontal, on vertical lines, there are horizontal line you have to draw. Wherever it cuts on vertical lines in the front beam, where it cuts, one is not on. So second point will draw from second point wherever it cuts. So from this point we'll draw horizontal line. So second point is on BB1. So here we'll get second point. Later on we'll go for first which are on vertical lines. I'm drawing a line. Next, third point is also on the top face, fourth is also on top, fifth point on DD1 will draw a horizontal line. Right, fifth point is on DD1, so here we'll take fifth point. So second point I got, fifth point I got, first, third and fourth now we'll go. Now this first point is on DA1 B1, so we'll take distance from B1. I am taking the distance to the O1, to the 1 point. First point from B1 I have taken, it is on B1, on bottom face, not on the top. So from B1 I will cut. So here we'll have first point. Next, second is over. Third, from B1 only again I will take this distance. Right, from B1 only I will take this distance. Again we'll cut it from B1 on C1. Sorry, third point is at the top, not at bottom. So third point we'll have here, not at the bottom face. So third point is here. And next, fourth point is also on the top face. So we'll take from D1 I will take, right, from D1 I have taken. So from D1 I will cut. Right, now this point is fourth point, fifth point and sixth point. From D1 I will take the distance. From D1 I am taking the distance. It is at bottom face, so we'll cut it on bottom. So sixth point here we'll get, or you can write it as 1. Because of distance or difference I have taken it as sixth point. We will not get first point back. Right, now we'll join sixth to fifth. From fifth to fourth. Then from fourth to 3, then 3 to 2, right, 2 to 1. Then we'll join these points 6 to 1, and then we'll make it dark, the part which is inside this development. How much are there? Till that you have to make it dark. This is called as development. Developed part. These parts will be cut and removed from the prism. So this is called as cut section of the part. Thank you.